Fideo 1. Gorffennol, gwneud. In the next units, we'll be concentrating on how to talk about the past yn Gymraeg. In the school setting, you will be discussing past activities and what you have been doing with the children. So these patterns that we'll look at will come in good use. The Welsh word for to do or to make is gwneud. Say it after me. Gwneud. Ardderchog. So now, let's get started with gwneud, as we learn how to talk about what we have done and made in the past. We'll firstly start with a T question. Beth wnes ti means what did you do or what did you make? You try it. Beth wnes ti? Very often in South Wales, we'll drop the W sound when saying wnest, and you're more likely to hear Beth wnes ti? To answer by saying I did something or I made something, say gwnes I followed by a soft mutation, a treiglad meddal in the next word. Here are some examples. Gwnes I lun. I made a picture. Gwnes I ddyn eira. I made a snowman. Gwnes i'r gacen. I made the cake. To answer by saying I didn't do something or I didn't make something, say wnes I ddim. There is no treiglad following ddim. Here are some examples. Wnes I ddim llun. I didn't make a picture. Wnes I ddim dyn eira. I didn't make a snowman. Wnes I ddim y gacen. I didn't make the cake. Da iawn chi. Now we'll try a question with fe, him, he, her, or a person's name in it. Beth wnaeth e means what did he do or what did he make? You try it. Beth wnaeth e? Beth wnaeth hi means what did she do or what did she make? You try it. Beth wnaeth hi? Beth wnaeth Leo means what did Leo do or what did Leo make? You try it. Beth wnaeth Leo? Of course, with this question, you can change Leo for any person's name. As previously stated, the W sound disappears in spoken Welsh. So you're likely to hear beth wnaeth e or beth wnaeth hi. To answer, your sentences will start with the word gwnaeth. Gwnaeth e batrwm. He made a pattern. Gwnaeth hi freichled. She made a bracelet. Gwnaeth Leo lanast. Leo made a mess. To answer by saying what they didn't make or didn't do, use wnaeth ddim. Here are some examples. Wnaeth e ddim patrwm. He didn't make a pattern. Wnaeth hi ddim breichled. She didn't make a bracelet. Wnaeth Leo ddim llanast. Leo didn't make a mess. Da iawn chi bawb.